So the Autism Directory is a charity based in Treforest. We provide help, support and signposting to the autistic community. 75% of our staff team have autism. Suzanne is a trainer on our employment programme based in job centres throughout Wales, and lots more than that actually. She actually supports every member of staff that we work with.
I am inspired by the autistic mind, the way people with autism think. I'm intrigued by the difficulties they have and how they overcome those difficulties. And because every single person you meet with autism is entirely different, there's no standard, if you like. So you've got to sit back and look at how the individual processes information.
She's tenacious, but in that tenacity comes amazing warmth. So she's got that ability to really find out what help somebody needs and make sure that they get that help.
What's on my mind is more important than what anybody else is thinking about quite often. So I'll just, ram in on her like that, and she'll immediately drop everything and just listen to what I have to say and give me an answer. She's consistently like that. But even in my personal life, she's there. She'll give me advice on it. Well, help me find out my answer.
The environment in the office is great because everybody's autistic and it's very literal, so it's very blunt, it's very straightforward, it's very matter of fact, and yeah, it's great. I forget sometimes when I go home, my partner says to me, "You're not in work now," and I'm like, "Oh, sorry."
Suzanne is just inspirational in her own way, really. She's just such an asset to have on the team now, and she's just got such a lovely way with everybody. She's known as the office mama.
Autism means that sometimes people are socially isolated. Suzanne has created social groups, so by having a group to go to with like-minded people, it means that they can mix, they can have conversations, and they can learn to socialise.
The satisfaction that we get when we hear that people have been employed after the employment programmes is just, it's the best feeling in the world. And to know that we've changed somebody's life, it's very empowering.
Congratulations, Suzanne, a really well-deserved award. So from everybody from the Autism Directory, congratulations.
Congratulations, Suzanne. I couldn't think of someone else better to achieve this award. You're an awesome girl. Thank you.
I'm really pleased you got an award, Suzanne, because you really deserve it. You do things that you're not even asked to do, you do them. Constantly supportive, and we all love you here in the Directory very, very much. Well done.
I'm part of a huge team, so I'm very grateful for the award. Thank you very much.